Hello, everyone. My name is Priya Sharma. I am 19 years old, and I live in a small town near the mountains. I am just like many of you, with big dreams and hopes in my heart. Today, I want to share my story with you. It is about my dream of becoming an army officer. Before I start, let me ask you something. Do you have a dream? Something you think about every day? Maybe it's to become a teacher, a doctor, or an artist. Do you believe dreams come true if we try our best? I believe they do, and I will tell you why. My dream. Since I was a child, I have loved stories about bravery and sacrifice. I remember sitting with my grandfather as he told me stories of soldiers who fought for our country. He was also in the army, and his stories made me feel proud. He would say, "Priya, serving your country is the highest honor." His words stayed in my heart. When I was 10 years old, I saw a parade on Independence Day. The soldiers marched with pride, their heads held high, and their uniforms shining in the sunlight. At that moment, I decided, I want to become an army officer. Being an army officer is not just a job. It's a way to serve the country and protect the people. It's about courage, discipline, and selflessness. I want to be someone who stands strong, even in difficult times. I want to make my family, my town, and my country proud. But dreams are not easy. They come with challenges. My family is not very rich. My father is a farmer, and my mother is a teacher. They work very hard to support me and my younger brother. Sometimes, I feel guilty for dreaming so big because I know my dream requires a lot of money and effort. There were also times when people laughed at me. They said, "Girls don't join the army. It's too hard for you." Their words hurt me, but I didn't give up. My mother always says, "Priya, if you want something, work for it. Don't listen to those who don't believe in you." So, I decided to work harder. I wake up every morning at 5 a.m. and go for a run. Running helps me build strength and endurance. I also study for the exams I need to pass to join the army. Sometimes it's tiring, but I remind myself why I am doing this. Last year, I applied for the National Defense Academy, NDA. I studied day and night for the entrance exam. When the results came, I couldn't believe my eyes. I had passed. It was the happiest moment of my life. But passing the exam was just the first step. Next came the physical tests. They were tough. I had to climb ropes, run long distances, and even do push-ups. It was exhausting, but I didn't stop. I thought about my dream every time I felt like giving up. Now, I am waiting for the final interview. It's scary, but I am also excited. I know this is my chance to prove myself. Friends, this is my story so far. My journey is not over yet, but I am proud of how far I have come. I believe that if we work hard and stay focused, we can achieve anything. So, tell me, what is your dream? Do you want to become a doctor? An engineer? A singer? Whatever your dream is, believe in it. Don't let fear or doubt stop you. Dreams do come true if we try our best. And remember, every small step you take brings you closer to your goal. Keep going, even when it's hard. One day, you will look back and feel proud of yourself. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope it inspires you to follow your dreams. Let me know in the comments what your dream is. Together, let's make our dreams come true.